In today's video, I'm going to tackle a question that we get asked a lot that is in regards to your menstrual cup. And I do want to mention that when you very first switch over to using a menstrual cup, there is a slight learning curve. Once you figure out how to put it in and take it out, it truly becomes second nature. But you have to give yourself a little bit of grace and a little bit of time while you're figuring out this new product and while the menstrual cup gets used to your individual body. So I'm going to tackle a question that we're frequently asked, and I did want to mention that we stand by our products 100%. We have a variety of sizes, and if you are not happy with your cup, we will refund you 100%. That is how confident we are that you're going to love your menstrual cup. So let's go ahead and get to the question. The question is, why does my menstrual cup slide down when I use it for a while? There are several different reasons why this could be happening, but first we need to ask you the question, does it cause irritation when it slides down? If it doesn't cause irritation and it's just sliding a little bit down, then there should be no issue at all. The seal should still hold its place and you shouldn't have any leaks. And it's normal for your cup to move up and down a little bit throughout the day as you are moving around during the day, and if it's a subtle movement, it really shouldn't be an issue. The next thing we want to ask is, has your cup ever fallen out? If it has fallen out and slid all the way down, that it's come out of your body, then that could mean that you simply have the wrong size. We do offer a variety of sizes from small to extra large, so you simply just might need a bigger size, and that is totally fine, and we'll get that figured out for you if you let us know. And the last thing we want to ask is your cup leaking? If you find that after you've put your menstrual cup in, it's leaking down the sides, that's another sign that your cup might be too small, so you'd want to size up in that case as well. All in all, it is totally normal for your cup to slide down just a little bit during the day, but again, if it is causing irritation, if it's sliding all the way out, or if it's leaking way too much, this could simply be the wrong size. So let us know if those things are happening to you and we will switch it out for a better size or give you a full refund, but definitely don't stress. Also, we're curious to know, what is your #1 Pixie Cup question? We'd love to answer that for you, so leave us a comment with your #1 question below.